is the Everest. It's waiting for parts. Goldie Hawn's over there waiting for parts. Dragged in a trimmer that actually belongs to a buddy of mine. It's waiting for parts. So what do you do when you have 3 projects clogging up your shop waiting for parts? Start another one, of course, duh. So today I've brought down this Iron Horse. It's an AR-501, so air governed. It's actually got a little flap apparatus in here that governs the speed. R is recoil start, which is unfortunately missing. 501 is just the engine series, so it's a 1 1/3 horsepower, 1.33 horsepower. It's a 1948 model, pretty complete. Fuel tank is not really that pretty inside, but I mean, it turns over. I'm gonna put some gas down it and see if I can get it to pop. And if we can, well, that's just a whole bunch of fun. Like, it doesn't have to be amazing at this point. Even though it turns freely, it seems that the fan is hitting on the shroud. Now to get the shroud off, there's some screws here and there. Fuel tank is really just in our way, and I'm not planning to use it at this point, so I'm just gonna remove it. This is the governor mechanism, and as the fan moves, it controls the engine speed. Just lost some hardware somewhere. Oh yeah, that turns much nicer now, and you know, even have a little bit of compression there. Well, what if we see if we have any spark? This is a very old Champion plug. Made in Canada, J8. It's very well worn to the point where the end has been bent way down to keep the gap, as the center electrode is pretty worn down, but it's awesome anyway. And if I can use it, I definitely will. But I don't see, when I crank this over, I don't see any sign of a spark at all. And I did try it with a newer spark plug, nothing. So all of that good stuff is under the flywheel. Nice. This is where it gets a bit, a little bit touchy. These were stored in a chicken coop for a while, so there's feathers in interesting places. Look, there's our points. They look like they're actually closing and opening not bad. Really good news. I've turned the light off and really grounded out the plug here. And if I hold my hand over it and start, I've got spark. I guess I should check if there's any oil in it. Get some. Well, there's not a lot, but there is arguably oil in it, enough for our purposes. Give it a little Dr. Pepper. Might have to do something with this carburetor just to... Oh, I see. All our fuel's leaking out the bottom. It's all loose. Not much of a puff out of it. Yeah, it's coming out the bottom here as fast as I can put it in. Well, we might not have any luck with this after all. Well, if it doesn't want to run, let's give it a compression test. That's maybe a touch on the low side. I think it would still run on that. We just have to have a lot of other things going for us. Good spark and good fuel. Oh well, I'm not done with this thing yet.